Odisha's love for seafood meets the flavors of Kerala at Hotel Pushpak. Our Malabar fish curry is slow cooked with aromatic spices, creamy coconut and authentic Malabar tamarind. Then comes the Pushpak touch. Mustard oil instead of coconut oil, creating a taste that's perfectly suited to the Odia palate while staying true to the original. 2 coasts, 1 unforgettable curry.
Available at Golden Bird, Fine Dine Restaurant, Hotel Pushpak.